In this video, I'm going to show you the exact way to play or watch YouTube with your Apple Watch. All you have to need, first of all, go to your iPhone App Store and search for wrist tube, and you have to install this wrist tube for YouTube app on your iPhone, and the app will also automatically install on your App Store. So on your iPhone, open the wrist tube app, and here we don't need to sign in, just open it for once and then go to your Apple Watch app library, and here scroll down, and also you will find here the wrist tube app. Just open it in your App Store, Apple Watch, and here you will find bunch of different categories. To find all trending videos on YouTube, just select trending, and here select location, and here as a search result you will find here all trending videos. Go back from here, you can select discover, and here you can also see your favorites and playlist. Now to search for specific videos, tap on search, tap on enter keyword, and now on your iPhone tap on Apple Watch keyboard to connect, and let's search for a video. And here we can see the search results for cat videos. Now you can easily play any video from directly your Apple Watch. It may take some moments to connect with the wrist tube app. And here we can see the video is now playing. You can also adjust your volume from control center. So that's how you can actually play YouTube from our Apple Watch.